Assalamu alaikum. This is what we're going to do in class. All you need are paper, scissors, glue, and ribbon, which is optional. Hello, welcome to today's class. Today we're going to be making something pretty simple. We're going to make a pen holder using A4 paper. What you need are A4 paper, scissors, a cardboard paper, and your glue. I'll keep this aside. You need 6 A4 papers. You can use any color you want. It's all up to you. Remember, you're the artist. So I have several colors. I'm going to show you how to do this. I'll use my paper, this paper first, the pink one. What you need to do is you try and make a square using your paper, and the way to do it is by simply doing this. You form a square, make sure it's well aligned. When you do this, you cut the excess paper you have here. Be careful not to cut the paper you need. Watch these steps, what I'm doing closely, because you're going to do the same thing on the remaining 5 papers left. Okay, so we're good. Keep checking your paper. You don't need this piece, we'll do away with it. Keep my scissors. So when you have this is a perfect square. When you have your square, you fold it into 2. Fold your paper into 2. And you press on your fold to leave a crease here. What you want to do again, it's folded into 2. The first half, you open your paper, the first half, you fold it into 2 again. You make sure it meets this line here. That's your line here. Fold it into 2. And you press on your fold. Rotate your paper. The remaining half, fold it into 2. And you press on your fold. So you have 1, 2, 3 lines. The paper has been divided into 4 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you turn your paper and you repeat the same steps. Fold your paper into half, into 2 equal parts. You open. You fold this paper again. This other half rather. Fold it into 2. Turn your paper and you fold your paper into the other half into 2. To make sure you have all these boxes after folding your paper. Now the corner squares, you want to fold it again. Watch closely what I do. I'm going to bring this corner edge here to the center right at this point. Some of you might have done this before, so it's easier for you, or if you've not, then have fun making it. You want to do this to all 4 corner squares. This is something you can make for a friend. You can keep it on your table in school or anywhere you want. Now we're almost done. Once you're done with this 4, fold your paper like this again. Watch closely. Turn and fold your paper. This is what you will have. Flip your paper, turn it like this. You bring this first quarter, you bring it back. You bring this other quarter, we bring it like this. I hope I'm not too fast. If I'm fast, go back and replay the video. Then you can just try and fold this like this, because we're going to form like a triangle. This will go into this, but before we do that, we're going to cut a piece of paper that will slide into this piece. Don't worry, I'm going to show you because I've gone ahead to do some. You want to create something like this. So to get that, you can just place your paper like this. All you want to do, you're using this as a template. You want it slightly small. So you trace. Be careful not to cut your main paper. Just try and move this out a bit. And then you cut. You put this aside. You have this kind of paper, and you can write something on it before you put it in. But I'm just going to do this. Then you tuck in this into this space. Before you slide it in completely, just quickly put this in your white paper. And push this completely, and you have this. So remember, I said you need 6 A4 paper. I've done the first one. Go ahead and do this exact step. The steps I just finished doing, do it on all the remaining 5 papers. I've done mine. I'm going to bring it back in. 3, 4, 5. We need 6 in total. And you have this. So here are your 6 papers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we're going to start arranging them. This is what they will look like. We're going to glue it actually. 2, 3. And this part should be facing outside. So you have something like this. So I'll bring in my glue. Apply glue here. Apply glue here and here on all 6 parts. Here and here. Make sure to align your paper. Mistake. Remember to ensure this white part is facing out. Just made a mistake. Be careful. Apply glue again. You can use any paper you want. You can use lightweight paper, heavyweight paper like cardboard, not too heavy though. Put this your last piece in, and you check and clean your excess glue. Keep checking until it all fits in. Looking good. Your pencil holder or pen holder is almost ready. Just one more step. Now what you need to do is place your pencil holder here after gluing it, and you trace out the shape. You can use pencil, you can use biro. What we're trying to do is to cover the bottom. Once you're done, what you want to do is add a half inch or less than half inch. It's like half inch. After tracing, I'm going to cut. What you want to do again is you do this, cut it like this. That mark we have created, we are going to score it. Okay, once I have this, I'm going to repeat the same thing. It's like notching. I'll just cut that out. What you want to do next is to score your line here. Go ahead and fold your score line. Should have something like this, and hopefully it will fit right in. And if it doesn't fit in, we'll keep shaping it until it fits in. We're going to check before gluing. Yeah, moment of truth, to see if what we have done is correct, and alhamdulillah. This is where you want to apply glue, here on this flap here. Just as we did, and you allow it sit for a few minutes before putting your pen. It's where you need tissue handy to clean glue stain. Until it glues and we're ready to use our box. See you on the other side. I had some stickers lying around, so I'm going to place it just to embellish it. Remember, I said it's not compulsory. It's all up to you what you want to do, how you want to embellish your box. So if I want, I can just do this. Go ahead and put whatever you have, sticker, anything. It's up to you what you want to do. Make a bow and give it your own touch. There was a student that sent this idea to me, and you know me, I love crafts, so I couldn't help but just try it. After tying the bow, this is what it looks like. Yeah, you can either put the bow or you leave it without the bow. It's all up to you. And this is what it looks like down, and this is what it looks like up. There you have it. Go ahead, if you have stickers, put it. And I'll go ahead and put my pen. So I hope you go ahead and try this. Bye.